Welcome to this webinar, which will look at water use data within the IKI Transforming Tourism project. Across the Transforming Tourism project, we want to be able to understand how hotels and conference centres use resources. We need to understand what resources are being used at the start of the project in 2018, and this data will be the baseline data for the project. This webinar will outline what water data needs to be collected. We are asking hotels and conference centres to provide data on water supplied through metered water sources. Water use can be read from bills received from the water company. Unmetered water resources could include well water or river water. As the water source is not metered, the business will have to find a way to measure the water used from this source. If water is pumped with a mechanical pump from a well, then water could be calculated using the pump rate. For example, it could be something like 8 litres per minute. And then multiplying the number of minutes the pump is used per month. For some businesses, you may need to get water tankered to your site. In this case, you may be able to get information on monthly amounts of water used from your purchase orders. There are another 2 sources of water that we require information on if these apply to your business. If you recycle and reuse water on your premises, please tell us how much water you reuse each month. If you outsource laundry, can you tell us the weight of the laundry that gets washed? Laundry can use a large amount of water. This is an example of a water bill from the Philippines. We need to know the billing period so we can work out how much water is used in each calendar month. In this bill, as well as showing the meter reading at the start of the month and the end of the month, and the amount used during that month, it also shows you the amount of water used in the previous 3 months. If you need to take a meter reading at the start of the month, you will need to understand how to read a meter. Each meter will be different, but there are common features. There is normally a dial to show you if the water is flowing through the meter, and there will be a series of numbers that move forward as the water flows through the meter. In this example, the units are in meters cubed. The black numbers show complete meters cubed, and the red number shows the number of litres. On this meter dial, the example shows that 111 litres has passed through the meter. To get a monthly meter reading, it is important to choose the same date in each month to take the meter reading. In this next section, we will look at examples of good practice in terms of water use. Once some of these businesses started to measure water use, they were then able to make changes and save money. The award-winning Mercure Convention Centre Angkor in Jakarta was able to achieve savings by putting water-saving devices in bathrooms and increase the efficiency of their sewage treatment plant. Other hotels have invested in low-flow shower technology and other water-saving measures. Further examples of water savings can be found in the Industry Sector Guide for Resource Efficiency and that will be published to support this project. If you want some more information on how to carry out a water audit or how to measure water use, you will find some more information at the links above. Again, the Industry Sector Guide for Resource Efficiency will provide additional information on this subject. So what do you do when you need to report this data? In the Resource Efficiency tool, there is a sheet for water data entry. In this sheet, you can add information on metered and unmetered water sources, grey water use, and information relating to outsourced laundry water use. There are separate webinars available that can advise on how to enter data into the Resource Efficiency tool. We are asking hotel and conference centre businesses to collect data on a monthly basis and then report resource use data every quarter to your country support partner. This will then be anonymised and sent to RAP to allow us to complete the baseline. One of the outputs from the Resource Efficiency tool is monthly tracking data. So you'll be able to see your resource use each month measured against the guest nights or the delegates attending at your conference centre. In this way, it will be easier to see if your resource use is increasing or decreasing. If you require further support, you can contact your in-country partner using these details. If you need to contact us at RAP Global, you can find our contact details here. Thank you for listening.